Beautiful bedrooms with sunburst mirrors. Perhaps you've thought about applying a sunburst mirror to decorate the bedroom. If that's true, then seeing this video is one of the right choices for you. Because we have some sunburst mirror design to decorate the bedroom. With your bedroom, sunburst mirror will look more amazing. We have several collections about sunburst mirrors when applied to a bedroom. The bedroom you will see comes in a variety of color and design concepts but has a specially specified appeal. Yes, to be precise, it is an amazing sunburst mirror. Here is a bedroom that will not only satisfy you, but also draw your attention in a way because of the sunburst mirror that accompanies each bedroom design. Sunburst mirror, both circular or oval, the sunburst mirror frame looks like the sun that shines on the earth. The beauty of the sunburst mirror makes the bedroom not only look more beautiful, but also seem more magnificent and elegant. If you look at the details of some bedroom designs with a sunburst mirror in this video, you will find a room that really looks magnificent. Some of the creative and innovative designs of this sunburst mirror are the fruits of the creativity of the experts who deliberately dedicate your work that is looking for information or inspiration in to decorate the bedroom. In this case, you can be a mirror sunburst as an alternative choice to beautify your bedroom design. Some of our favorite collections are the creative sunburst mirrors, modern glamour wooden sunburst mirrors, using a gray color. This color must make the bedroom look sophisticated and glamorous. When paired with silver, every bed will look amazing. We also have a quiet resting sunburst bedroom. The wallpaper print accents are similar to the design. You can also find light beautiful classical bedroom design. The bed looked similar to an armchair. There are so many bedroom designs that you can find in this video. Watching this video carefully will provide a wealth of creative information and inspiration. Not only can you get information from some of the designs in this video, but you can also try something more wild, that is by combining several designs to make some designs to create your dream bedroom design. If you want to try a new sensation, we also have the Sunburst Arabian Greens claws. In addition to the two already mentioned before, look at this bedroom, then you will know that the purpose of this design is to make the bedroom look charming and beautiful. We also have an enthusiastic transitional family design using decorative wooden. It's nice that they use gold color to complement it well with the brown theme used in the interior design of this bedroom. Even so, you can use more of your favorite collection as an alternative solution for interior design inspiration. Your creativity should still be a top priority. We only offer some information for you. Well, We hope you like some designs in this video as much as we can. We hope that the interior design with the coveted Sunburst mirror will be your favorite reference and hopefully will be an inspiration to create a new bedroom design in the future. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to enjoy our next videos.